welcome to today's video. Today's look is going to be inspired by a little bit the look Madeyewlook did on her channel recently about doing seen email stuff style. Now, I always admired that style when I was younger, but when that was really popular, I wasn't old enough to use makeup, at least not by my family standards. So that's why today I'm gonna try to do something somewhat similar, except for more, I don't know, me. Anyway, the idea for the look, the concept, was inspired entirely by her. So, if you haven't seen her channel yet, I'd highly recommend going over to Madeyewlook and checking her out. She has a lot of great content. Okay, so first, I want to do a little bit of, mostly with the greens and the pinks, to match the Harley Quinn, the red, because green kind of goes with red. But I also want to throw in some purple in there, which green and purple is also known as Joker type colors. So I think I'm going to do this one on the inner corner, this one in the center, and then this one on the outer corner. She just kind of went ham in that look, so I'm trying. And then and don't worry about all the fallout, because like she said, you can clean that up later before you do your foundation. Now I'm going to use her trick to get that cool effect. So now we're gonna go into my makeup bag, find our handy dandy blendy brush, just blend. Now I'm gonna take a Q-tip, gently go over that fallout a little bit, just so that it's not too much, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to take out my liner brush, and starting again with the lightest color first, I'm gonna bring those colors down under my eyes, along the lash line. Now I'm going to take my retractable black eyeliner and go right in my waterline with that. Gosh, it's been so long since I've done a black eyeliner in the waterline. Just do this slowly, building up till you get the desired darkness, or just use a better one than I am. Now for the top lid, taking our liquid eyeliner, and just making a wing. Ooh, I actually did pretty good on that for the first time. Ooh. And do the same on the other side. Try to make them about the same length. Now in hers, she did leopard spots. However, that's not really my thing, so I'm just gonna do a heart over here. On this side, a heart over here. Now, time for the face. Actually, I should not have done this one quite yet. Yikes. Because I forgot to do my face. Whoops. Oh well. So I'm just using my Matte Plus Poreless foundation just a little bit. And just blending on my foundation. Ta-da! Now we can go right back in with that liquid liner and redo the heart over here after we let this dry down just a little bit. Now I think that's heckin' cute and heckin' fun. Go over this one just one more time. And now I'm gonna do something that very much strays from her video. I have these cute little hollow star glitters, and yes, they're real hollow. Well, Christine from Simply Nailogical would be proud, but okay, I am having a hard time picking one up here. Oh my god. But see, they're just little itty bitty stars. And I'm gonna put a few on my eyelids. I'm gonna regret this later. Hours later. That is a dinky. Oh. Perhaps this would be easier if I just got like the glue, grabbed a star. This is just, you know, normal eyelash glue. Put the glue directly on the star before placing the star. This is gonna be a lot more difficult than I was expecting, but I will figure it out. So now I currently have a few just sitting on my brush. And I guess I'm just gonna try to take them off the brush and try to stick them on my eyelid. Forget leopard spots, I'm doing stars. lost my gosh dang mind. Me gets too creative with a tutorial. Me loves it. Me also hates it. Okay, I'm done. Before I go insane and make an entire mess. One of these days I will actually follow a tutorial and I'll actually do it properly. Today's not that day. So I'm just gonna take my mascara, pop some of that on my lashes. Pop on my NYX Liquid Suede in Stone Fox, because with all that color on my eyes, I need some darkness. So, what you think? It's a little crazy, it's a little fun, but yeah, it's what I was in the mood to do, so it's what I did. I hope y'all enjoyed, and do come back later for more videos, but if you don't, I understand. I'm not everybody's cup of tea. Just remember, have fun, be awesome, be yourself, and don't let the losers and assholes of the world get you down. You deserve love, you deserve happiness, and you deserve peace. Mwah! Seriously, need to remember to do that a lot quicker. Yeah. Anyway, have fun. Bye, y'all.